Hello everyone, welcome back to another restoration project. I've literally just finished one of ice and I've given myself another one to do. So the story is my son Dylan started college in September to become a joiner, just like his granddad John Milburn, who was a great joiner and carpenter, and he has an uncle in Australia, Uncle Stephen, who's a joiner. Dylan wants to go down that route, so this Christmas we're putting together a little bit of a toolkit for him to give him a head start. He's only 16-year-old, and what I thought would be a good idea to restore one of his granddad's old wood planes. His granddad passed away 8-9 years ago now. I'm not exactly sure. My dad passed away a while ago. Some of his gear just unfortunately being damp in the shed. So I've come across an old plane and I thought it would be a great Christmas present to restore this plane back to its better than condition, as it was his granddad's, and give it to him as Christmas. Unfortunately I've only got 2 days, and sometimes I just kind of do 2 days worth of restoration work, but I'll give it a go and see if we can get it done. So I'll give you a quick look at the plane and we'll go from there. So this is the plane. As you can see, it's not in the best of condition. A bit rusty. There's a crack here. Might need to see if I can repair that or make an entirely new handle. We'll see. And of course I've never took one of these apart before, but let's give it a go, see where we get to. I just need to touch on this. Sometimes when I see these restoration videos on YouTube, and their workshops are so clean and tidy, and the guy's hands or the lass's hands is always dead clean and tidy, but the reality is not that. I'll show you the reality of my hands, man. But it is what it is. That takes some getting off, but yeah, that's the reality behind it. But this is good. Big wipes, heavy duty wipes. One of these. Well, I cannot lie, everybody. I've finished putting this wood plane back together, but I have no clue on how to set it up correctly. I think that's something that Dylan's going to have to learn. Maybe he's take it to college when he goes back to college after Christmas. Get one of the tutors to show him how to set up a wood plane. But it's all done, just in time for Christmas, so I can get it wrapped up. And hopefully Dylan will appreciate this on Christmas Day. I'm sure he will. I'll give you a quick look at it now and see what you think.
What are you?
What is it?
Granddad, Dad, Mum, and Kaiser.
Ah.
I saw this on the radiator. You weren't playing it.
It's Grandad's old plane.
Oh wow!
Eh? Isn't that good? I refurbished it for you.
Beautiful this.
You'll have a look after it. You smile.
Very oily.
It's a belt, isn't it?
Mm.
Do you use them at college?
Yeah.
Do you know what you use them?
This is the actual blade. It's sharp enough.
Yeah.
He's learning you something.
Aye, I don't even know what to do.
You can thank college for this.
So it's Christmas Day, and the best part of that for me was when he opened the box and pulled out the plane, saw it was Grandad's old plane, and just said, "Wow!" I don't know whether you saw it in the video, but he said, "Wow!" and he was proper buzzing. And even better than that, he already knew how to take it apart. He knew the parts, knew the bits. So he's done some work with them at college anyway. So absolutely brilliant, and that's what Christmas is all about. So hope you've had a good Christmas day, and look forward to the new year, and look forward to some more videos. Thanks again for watching. Have fun. See ya.